In this video, I'm going to show you how to make trending videos with CapCut step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll build a fast-paced edit that feels modern, keeps attention, and looks ready for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, or any social platform where speed and retention matter. I'll walk you through the full workflow, from setting up your project to cutting out dead space, adding captions, layering B-roll, using effects and transitions, cleaning up your audio, and exporting with the best settings for smooth playback. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut and create a new project. On the homepage dashboard, look for the New Project button and click it. This gives you a fresh timeline and a clean workspace to start building your video. Once the project opens, import your media, drag in your talking head footage, your screen recordings, and any B-roll clips you want to use. Keeping your main clip and your supporting clips organized from the start will make the entire edit much easier. If you have good footage ready before you start, the rest of the process becomes much faster. Now drag your primary talking head clip onto the main track in the timeline. This is where your core message will live. For trending content, the key is pacing. You do not want long pauses, awkward silence, or anything that slows the viewer down. That is why the next step is to do a fast-paced rough cut. Start playing through the clip and look for any dead air, mistakes, pauses, or repeated words. In CapCut, you can press B to switch to the blade tool and slice out sections you do not need. If you want to split clips quickly, use Ctrl and B. Then press A to go back to the regular selection tool. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up a video and make it feel much more professional. As you remove unwanted sections, make sure you also get rid of the empty gaps. CapCut's timeline is great for this because it can snap clips together automatically, helping you maintain that zero-gap rhythm that keeps viewers engaged. A trending video should feel tight and intentional. Every second should move the video forward. If a part of your footage does not help the viewer, cut it. If a sentence is too long, shorten it. If a pause is too slow, remove it. The goal is momentum. Once your rough cut is in place, it is time to add one of the biggest features for modern short-form content, captions. Go to text, then Auto-Captions in the top left toolbar. Now, this is important. Auto-Captions may be a pro feature depending on your setup. So, if you are using the free version and want to export without restrictions, you can always use manual captions instead. But if you do have access, Auto-Captions are a huge time saver. Select the spoken language and click Generate. CapCut will automatically create subtitles based on your voiceover, which is perfect for retention because many people watch videos with the sound off. After generating captions, you want them to look bold, clean, and easy to read. Select any text layer and adjust the style globally. If there is an Apply to All option, use it so your captions stay consistent throughout the whole video. For a trending look, choose a strong font like Montserrat or the bold font. These fonts are popular because they are readable on mobile and they feel modern. For the color style, white text with a black stroke is always a safe choice, and a yellow shadow can add a little extra punch if the background is busy. The important thing is contrast. Your viewers should be able to read the captions instantly without straining their eyes. To make your captions feel even more dynamic, go to the Animation tab and apply kinetic text templates like bounce or spring. These movement styles help the words pop line by line, which makes the video feel more energetic and alive. This is especially effective in trending edits because the motion keeps the viewer's attention locked in. Just do not overdo it. You want the captions to feel exciting, not distracting. The best caption style is one that supports the message and makes the video easier to follow. Next, let's build the visual pacing by adding B-roll and overlays. Drag supporting videos, screenshots, or image overlays onto the tracks above your main footage. This is one of the easiest ways to make your video feel more polished and more interesting. Whenever you mention something important, show it on screen. When you want to emphasize a point, cut to B-roll. When you want to break visual repetition, overlay a clip or image. That constant change in visual texture is what makes trending videos feel fast and engaging. Now, let's move into transitions. Go to transitions and drag trending movement styles like pull in, bit, or camera flash between your rough cuts. These transitions soften hard edits and help the video flow from one moment to the next. The trick here is to keep them quick and purposeful. You do not need long cinematic transitions for trending videos. In fact, short and snappy usually works better because it matches the pace of short-form content. Use transitions to enhance the edit, not slow it down. After transitions, go to effects, then video effects. This is where you can add filters and motion-based enhancements like black flash, smart sharpen, or camera shake. These effects can make certain moments feel more intense and more dynamic. For example, a sharp zoom or flash effect can highlight a key phrase or reaction. A camera shake effect can add impact to a dramatic moment. Smart Sharpen can help footage feel a little crisper, especially if your source clip is soft. Again, use these carefully. The best edits are stylish, but still clean and easy to watch. Now let's talk about sound design, because audio is a huge part of what makes a trending video feel complete. Import saved popular audio tracks if you already have them, or use audio, then sound effects to find useful engagement sounds like swoosh, whoosh, or pop. These small sound effects can make cuts feel more satisfying and more professional. Add them when text appears, when a clip changes, or when something important happens on screen. Those little details make a big difference. You also want to make sure your background music does not overpower your voice. That is where audio ducking comes in. Lower your background music so your primary voiceover stays clear and fully understandable. If viewers cannot hear the main message, they will scroll away. Clean audio is not just about volume, it is about balance. Your voice should always be the priority, and music should support the mood without taking over. Now that your video is edited, captioned, layered, and polished, it is time for export. Click the blue export button in the top right corner. For most trending social videos, 1080p is the best choice because it looks sharp and performs well on mobile feeds. If your source footage is high quality and you want extra detail, you can go with 4K. Set your frame rate to 30 FPS for a clean standard look, or 60 FPS if you want ultra smooth motion. Leave the bitrate on recommended and choose H.264 in MP4 format for broad compatibility across social platforms. These settings help make sure your video uploads smoothly and plays back well on almost any device. And that is how you make trending videos with CapCut from start to finish. The secret is really a combination of fast pacing, bold captions, strong visuals, clean audio, and the right export settings. If you keep your edits tight and intentional, your videos will feel much more modern and much more clickable. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.